was another cold start this morning. Turned out to a pretty nice afternoon. Chilly again tonight, even warmer tomorrow afternoon. In fact, the days certainly are going to be getting warmer ahead. So dressing in layers, that's going to be my advice through Friday. All right, let's take you outside to Chula Vista from Otay Mountain. Beautiful sunset on the horizon. It is 63 degrees there, the same in downtown Imperial Beach, a little warmer at 65, 66 in Ramona and in Alpine, 40s for most of the mountain, 60s also in the desert. So we're basically sitting in the 60s for most of us. All right, that onshore flow is trying to return along our coastline. However, in the foothill and the mountain areas, we've been seeing those offshore winds today. A weak Santa Ana wind event, and part of the reason that this Santa Ana wind event actually turned out to be a lot weaker than what was potentially going to be happening is due to a storm system to our north of us that is actually strengthening and going to bring pretty much a rainmaker, a fire season ending system to the north. We're going to be on the tail end of it. I'll show you that in a second, but let's look at the temperatures tomorrow. In fact, we're close to 80 in Escondido by the afternoon after starting off in the low 40s in the morning. 60s in the mountains, so quite a bit warmer in the mountain areas. We're actually looking at 70s for most of the county. A few 60s along our coast like in Mission Beach and La Jolla. Also in the mountains, Santee also close to 80 degrees tomorrow. So I'm tracking two atmospheric rivers. This one right here, and I'm going to show you just a second. It's actually pretty cool what's going to happen, but look how thick these white clouds are. That's a lot of moisture in there, already bringing rain to the Pacific Northwest. This system is going to be weakening as it reaches us. So a lot of moisture in this storm system, and it's actually going to be breaking apart basically into two, and it's this second one. Look at all that red. That's going to be the heavier rain to the north. We could see up to 10 inches of rain for areas of Northern California. We're also going to see snow with this system, and it's going to be helping all of California, but we really are getting the tail end of it. We could see a few showers as early as Saturday night. This is 8:30 at night. The brunt of the rain is going to be coming through on Sunday. This is 3:30 in the afternoon. That rain starts to come in. It continues into Sunday night. This is 8:30, and then a slight chance for showers on Monday and maybe even lingering into Tuesday, maybe even early Wednesday morning. But as of right now, Sunday looking like the big rainmaker, and still not expecting a threat for flooding here. We're going to be again on the tail end of this system, but it is going to be a day that we're going to see quite a bit of rain. Should be light to moderate for the most part. Cooler as well, back in the 60s after 70s through Friday for the the coastal areas, actually inland neighborhoods. You'll also be in the 70s. Thursday we're close to 80, 60s when that chance for rain rolls in starting Sunday. The mountains will be in the 60s through Saturday, and then 50s and then even 40s for highs by Monday. And for the desert areas, we're also going to see some rain here by Sunday, but Monday and Tuesday, not likely.